Hey guys, I'm Dipendra from Fixing Port. When we hear the word technology, what not comes to our mind? Be it mobile phone, games, watches, softwares, etc. etc. But many claim that technology has brought a bad fate to the people. And many also claim that it has brought a good fate to the people. So in this video, we will tell you about the 6 ways in which technology has made your lives better and has improved your lives. So let's begin. The first thing about which I would like to talk is technology has changed communication. Yes, it is very much true in the context of present world. I know it was quite adventurous to write hundreds of letters to people far away from us, but right now in the present situation where there is no time, people are busy and information need to be transmitted quickly, technology has changed communication to our requirements. Now we are able to perform face-to-face video calling and also instant messaging and calling. With services like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you can watch a lots of photos and you can also learn a lots of things. You get lots of information over there and also on search engines like Google. And I tell you that these things have become a part of our life. And talking about photos and other stuff, on Facebook or Instagram or other social media platforms, when you post a photograph, it's just not for the people to see, but you also save that memory for a longer period of time. Because physical photographs may get destroyed one day or the other, but on a cloud memory, things remain like forever. Talking about memory, that means past. How can we ignore kids? So nowadays, being a kid is also different. Nowadays, children are all around with latest tech and gadgets. Therefore, their efficiency in education has increased because classrooms have become more interactive and exciting. Earlier, for example, when a child used to learn vocabulary, he used to go for flashcards. But nowadays, he can visit websites such as Quizlet. The next thing about which I would like to talk is we are much more healthier with technology. Nowadays, you can track everything from walking, jogging, swimming, how much calories you have burnt and also your blood pressure with regular intervals. A person using a tracker, that is a health tracker or a fitness tracker, is able to know how much walking he has done, how much calories he has burnt, and therefore he gets encouraged to work more harder the next day. And talking about the more modern technology such as Apple Watches, you are able to get more information with more accuracy, and they have also gamified your exercising experience while giving you more competition and points on the parallel. For example, in a recent event named as Time Flies by Apple, they have launched a new Apple Watch which is able to measure your blood oxygen level, and therefore it helps you a lot in keeping yourself healthier and safer. On the other hand, they have also claimed that their Apple Watches and their technology has saved the people from getting cardiac arrest by alerting them. The next thing about which I would like to talk is technology has changed the meaning of productivity. Yes, it can automate everything or anything. Nowadays, you can turn on or off a light, you can order a pizza, or you can command the coffee machine to prepare a coffee for you while you are getting dressed with the just command of your voice. And also, your time is being saved. While talking about communication, automation, how can we ignore transportation? Yes, nowadays you can move from one place to another at a very fast speed in a more comfortable manner and also in a more safer manner. The next thing about which I would like to talk is technology has enabled the disabled. Yes, you heard me correct. The latest gadgets and the modern technology has helped the disabled to overcome their disability. For example, there are lots of cheaper and more efficient and smaller compact hearing aids in the market. Virtual reality headsets also help the people with visual impairment to watch the things or to look at the things to a certain extent. And for getting the people less dependent on others, there are automated wheelchairs in the market. Last but not the least, in the present situations like coronavirus, Government of India has developed an application named as Arogya Setu, and in Japan along with Microsoft they have developed an application named as Coco, which helps the government to track the people who are infected and also helps us to get alerted when we come in contact with an infected person. More on, nowadays it is very much difficult to move out of the house because the new normal is very much different and difficult. Therefore, we are able to use video conferencing to run the system and the companies and offices in a similar manner or in a more efficient manner. Along with it, the academics of children is also not getting affected because video conferencing is also being used to teach the children and also to conduct examination. I hope our video helped you, and if our video helped you, then please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing tech videos. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.